We got those $50 macarons.
Grogu. This is Grogu. You want this? Come on, take it.
He can't move his arms, so.
Oh, he can't move his arms.
No.
Hey, welcome aboard, flight crew. It's another month, and we're doing another Star Wars unboxings for you guys right now, but we're doing it as animated characters.
Welcome to Always Believe. Psych, we're not doing that the whole time.
The CGI was just way too expensive. We couldn't afford it on our budget. I wanted to be a Clone Wars character. Ashley's like, I know how to make that happen.
We looked so beautiful. I feel like the real world is a little bit distorted now.
Welcome aboard, flight crew, to our monthly Star Wars unboxing. We've been waiting since about January because we ordered something really big and really cool.
We got Grogu! But the Sideshow Collectible. So this is like the most realistic version of the child that is out there.
Yeah, and it stinks because I was indecisive for like a day. We ordered it the day after it came out, which is only one day late.
One day.
And it delayed getting here like 2 months basically.
I know. We were there in bed when it dropped and just, do we do it? Do we do it? And I was like, we should. And you're like, no, we need to save money. And I was like, you're right, we need to save money. And then the next morning I woke up with my coffee, I'm like, you need to buy it now.
And I was like, okay.
We slept on it. You know, sometimes you really do need to sleep on it and to like make a big purchase, especially something like this, because it's expensive. Sideshow Collectibles are really nice, but they are pricey.
It was a pretty good deal still, and it was on sale in the beginning. Also at the time, there was like no child merchandise.
Nothing.
So
nothing.
This really fueled that like desire to have something.
With that, we got a lot of other things, mostly child related. So we have a lot of Grogu items because it is the season of the Mandalorian. Let's jump into the first thing we got.
Sure, let's do it.
All right, first things first is, I'll just show you guys.
This is something that you wanted so badly.
I wanted it so bad. So it's a hot chocolate bomb. I don't know if you guys have seen hot chocolate bombs, but they're really popular right now. You just get your hot milk and the chocolate bomb, ball of chocolate melts down in the hot milk and then explodes, and out comes like the marshmallows and some of the cocoa powder. And then this one, there is a marshmallow Grogu in there. I have to say Grogu now. Like,
everything's changed.
Everything's changed. My whole world is upside down because of you. Also, this last episode this week, also my world is upside down.
It was a real tragedy.
Just show us that he's okay.
Oh gosh.
This was sold out everywhere. It is going to be available on Amazon like starting January. It's going to be back in stock. I booked it to Ralph's. I took Brian with me. We were like, it has to be here. It wasn't there. It was supposed to be available at like Party City, Wiped Out, and Fry's Electronics. I caved and I got it from like a secondhand dealer on Amazon. Like the people that buy it and then like sell it for twice the price. So this is a $25 hot chocolate.
Well, why don't we open it up and even show them? Ashley is so nervous to open this.
All right, so that's about how big it is. He's so cute. Rainy day.
All right, so if you guys have been following us, you know that we've been doing Vlogmas this month, and
Yay, Vlogmas! Yeah. I've always wanted to do a Vlogmas.
It's fun. I'm enjoying doing it. And you notice we just put up a Star Wars tree. An entire Star Wars Christmas tree, which was completely Ashley's idea, and I love it. And while we were putting that tree up, I knew that we had these two ornaments from Solo that we were gonna unbox. These are actually from 2018. These are older ornaments that we just didn't buy when the film came out.
I should have bought them.
So these are like two of the few that remained on Amazon. Woo! So here's the Millennium Falcon. This is the Solo Edition Millennium Falcon. And what's cool about this ornament too, which is another reason I had to buy it, the cockpit lights up, but not just the cockpit, even the engine lights up too. It doesn't make any sound effects or anything, but that's pretty cool enough on its own. It's a little more blue like that in person. It's cool. I love it.
So fun.
I love the Solo Falcon too. I love how clean it looks. It's a real shame that this guy had to mess it all up. I didn't realize until opening it, it's a two set. They're actually two separate ornaments of Han and Chewie. So I originally thought they were like together, locked together, but I actually prefer that they're separate. It's actually a really good sculpt of Alden. It looks actually, I think, better than it does on the box even. It's a great Solo piece. Happy we have these Solo pieces. We're gonna go put these on the tree right after this episode. So with Black Friday this year, there was a couple sales from a particular few companies that we love. One of them was Pozu. We're always promoting Pozu. We love their boots. We wear them all the time when we're on Bot 2, Galaxy's Edge. But there's so many shoes that they put out beyond just like the Star Wars boots. They also have really cool sneakers. And there was too good of a deal recently that we had to pick these up. So.
I mean, they were like crazy on sale. I shared it on our Instagram. I'm like, you guys need to go now.
They were 60% off
yeah.
of the normal price.
We bought these as a gift to ourselves for reaching 10,000 followers on Instagram. So thank you guys so much for making that happen.
Thank you, Flight Crew.
And I'm excited. Tomorrow we're going to announce the next lightsaber giveaway winner. So yay! So keep following us on Instagram. We are going to continue doing lots of giveaways and kind of like giving you guys like the first information about like new merch that we find that we really like even before these videos. So like we shared the sale of these Pozu shoes on our Instagram, you know, obviously like a week before we are filming this. So guys, make sure you're checking out our Instagram. Anyway, I really want to open these. The box is always the best part, I think. Their logo is so cool. Their cool wrap paper that they use is also fun.
Star Wars Lightspeed.
New shoes. I love that smell.
Ooh, those are cool.
Ooh. Now hopefully they fit.
So these are our best shoes, and I think that it actually has the opening crawl all along the shoe from what I was reading on their website.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
I like them. I like these a lot.
Ashley's been wanting to get these pair for a long time, and they also had the option to get these shoes in black, so I decided to get the black version. We have holiday Star Wars socks on today that I've been opening every day for my advent calendar. Presenting the Pozu sneakers of these new shoes. These are awesome.
High foot.
High foot Star Wars shoes.
Those are really cool. They're really comfy. They're fun.
These are really cool. I really love them. And I love that we have matching shoes now too. That's even more cool. You've heard us preach so much about Pozu. They're a great company. They're all about sustainability.
These shoes have good soles made with fair trade natural rubber. The shoe uppers are 100% organic cotton. Our coconut fiber foot mattress molds to the shape of your foot.
Great company, a great message that they support, and great shoes. Like awesome, awesome products.
If you're looking to get yourself a pair of Pozus, which we highly recommend, please use the link in our bio. That is our affiliate link, just because we love promoting Pozu. So use our link if you can. This was something I snagged last night when we went to go pick up our tray at Walmart. I just saw on TikTok a couple of people posted, hey, these are available at Walmart. You can only buy them in the store. So I quickly ran to the makeup section, praying to the maker they were there. It's such a dumb thing. I don't know, but they're Star Wars makeup brushes.
Put Star Wars on it, we'll buy it.
And they have a couple different brushes in the set. I love that they're all different colors. And apparently this brush lights up, so I'm gonna open them. I really like the packaging in the back. They have like stars. They're really teeny tiny, but let's see, how does this guy light up?
That's great, it lights your face up.
Yeah, it's a really soft brush though. I'm definitely gonna be using these. I am not a person who is picky about my makeup brushes, so I'm fine with this. This works. I feel like a proper makeup channel now. Oh, it's a blender brush. And then we have a blue shadow brush. Then we have another shadow brush and an eyeliner brush in black. Those are fun. I mean, 12 bucks. And they also had, and this is not Star Wars, they also had a set of Harry Potter wand brushes right next to them, also for $12.
Yeah.
Which I also picked up. This is how I feel when I put on my makeup. The dark side. I get so mad. I started putting on really relaxing music. Makeup is supposed to be fun. I don't have to get angry every time, but this is gonna like really make that difficult.
If I walk in the bathroom and I'm like, oh, Ashley's using her angry brush, I better get out of here.
My angry brush.
I don't have, because usually you look at me and you're kind of like, Brian, not now.
Not now, not
But
now.
now if I just walk in and see you with that, I know like, oh, I better
I'd be like,
Ashley.
what?
Oh, I just want to see if you wanted a glass of water. Never mind.
I love these. Yeah, it's like, why not? I needed new makeup brushes anyway.
This next piece is completely free. We were sent this next piece by Hasbro. We didn't purchase this piece. They're just sending it to us because we enjoy Star Wars so much and we want to share it with you guys.
Sorry we're opening you the same day as we're opening a Sideshow collectible. You are still precious to us. Please don't feel like you're going to be outshined in a minute.
I don't think you will, because I think this child actually does some things that the other one doesn't do.
Okay.
Yeah. You can pick up this child at any store. I think Target has. You can pick it up on Amazon. We'll put a link in the description below if you want to pick one up. Oh my gosh! Wow, he's like a real living Grogu. Maybe he's not gonna outshine the Sideshow one.
I'm sorry. Don't you blink at me like that.
Don't you blink? Oh, he's using the Force on you.
Oh, you're the most precious thing in the whole wide world. hand down. I swear to God, you're gonna go in timeout.
Oh my gosh. So yeah, basically you just kind of rub his head. He comes to life. Oh my gosh. The Force hand is so cute.
He came with like a little necklace, didn't he?
He does. Bonus thing that he came with is this. So this is what the Mandalorian gave to Grogu in season 1. I guess you can wear it as a kid if you want.
Yeah, it looks like it's the same kind of necklaces that came with the lightsabers.
Exactly.
Or it has like this like plastic breakaway piece here.
Oh my goodness.
No, I'm sorry.
Grogu.
Oh, he's sleeping. He's sleeping. Grogu.
I love this. This is amazing. Thank you so much, Hasbro. On the very top of his head, you can see like they painted little tiny hairs too for his little baby hairs. Even his outfit is so well put together. I mean, this is perfect. This is like the ultimate, I think, child gift that you could give to your kid this year. Or you can buy for yourself, I don't know. We love our child we've had all year that we've been playing with, but this one is a different level. He's actually living in, he's come to life. So this is the child we've been playing with that everybody's using all the time.
Oh, he's like his little brother.
These are both great. If you are a fan of The Mandalorian, or if you have kids who are fans of The Mandalorians, I would pick up both of these. These are both amazing. This one is soft and squishy and actually the size of what the child is. But again, this one is proportionate to the size for a child to play with Grogu.
Thank you, Hasbro.
Thank you, Hasbro.
We got those $50 macarons from Williams-Sonoma. They're Nevarro Nummies. $50.
$50. Yeah, we were talking about this in our Thanksgiving vlog. You found some very close enough, really good macarons from Macarons. There's 2 ways to say it. Macarons. You found some really good ones from Walmart that were way cheaper. But then soon after that, you found these official ones, so we had to try them.
But from what I heard from other people who are like pastry chefs is like, you know, those ones were probably factory made.
Yeah.
These ones are supposed to be like artisan craft like macarons. Traditionally macarons actually go for a good amount of money, so that's kind of why they're so pricey. These ones, they are made to order, so when you order them from Williams-Sonoma, then they send it out to go be made.
Oh, so they're pretty fresh then.
Yeah. But some of them got crushed, which really stinks.
Yeah, you can see.
I like want to send a picture to Williams-Sonoma and be like, yo, like.
Hey, Williams-Sonoma, that's a couple dollars of a cookie right there.
I paid $50 for these.
And they wrapped it still in like a bunch of bubble wrap too.
I think these will taste like blue milk.
I don't know, but that's what I think everybody was assuming, that the blue is for like blue milk.
They said it was supposed to have some sort of like galactic spices in there, like vanilla and galactic spices. That is $4 you're about to eat.
Oh my goodness. This looks delicious though. I hope I don't puke it all up.
Cheers.
Cheers. I don't want to say vanilla, but it's just
it's vanilla.
It's just a simple, creamy, it's much softer by far than the other cookies.
The other one was chewier.
It definitely was chewier.
The flavor is really subtle. Like, it doesn't taste like blue milk, guys. Don't get your hopes up.
But I could easily see me eating the entire box if I wasn't careful and throwing up on myself.
It's really good.
See, that's what you do. If you want to control your dessert intake, especially on quarantine, buy $50 cookies and then you're going to eat them one at a time. You want another one?
One more.
Okay. I think some fans were theorizing they might start selling these at Galaxy's Edge.
Of course.
They should.
They have a macaron stand at Downtown Disney.
Oh, they do have one.
That sells these colored macarons.
Oh, well, there you go. There you go.
So, they already have like their source for them.
And now for the moment we've been promising the entire video. Come on, Ashleigh, push! Push! Oh.
What is it?
We have to get the membrane off.
Gross. Just let him out.
Don't let him out.
Let him out. Let me see him. Show me the child.
We literally have been waiting as long as it takes to have a child to get this child.
We were gonna take him to Galaxy's Edge.
I know.
And take family photos.
We're still planning on doing that. He's part of our family now, and he's part of the flight crew. Grogu is, he's outranking all of you guys right now.
Congratulations on acquiring the asset.
She does not like the sound of styrofoam. I don't really like it either. I think I'm just tolerating it because I'm so excited.
Are you ready?
Welcome to the family, Grogu. Oh, let's get him out. He's in hibernation still. We gotta get him out.
Come here, little baby.
Oh, he's so cute. He's got little legs too. His little feet that he has, they're so cute.
He's just green.
He's just green.
He's just green. There's like a Barbie doll under there. Oh my god.
I've been seeing people posting photos of him, and I was kind of worried that something about the way his mouth was sculpted, it looked a little harsh, and it didn't look as cute, but just seeing him in person and staring into his eyes, like, he's adorable. He's as cute as you would imagine he would be. Say hello to your new flight crew member, everybody. This is Grogu. He is now the supreme leader.
He's now the supreme. Oh my gosh, he's actually like heavy.
Yeah.
Oh, his little outfit even has like a zipper. Zippers are
cool.
canon, guys.
Yeah, that's a good point. Child has zipper. Go to the bathroom. He's so cute.
Oh, you are so adorable.
Oh my
I can't
gosh.
get over the hair.
The hair is beautiful.
It's like a vinyl, but it's harder.
Yeah, it's like a plastic material. I particularly love that on this piece, his eyes are so much clearer. You can actually see the brown of his eyes and the iris, and the show, it just looks like these black voids, basically. If you guys are interested to know what a newborn child smells like, he smells like plastic.
It smells like plastic and paint.
Like a fresh rug.
It's like they had to they made these quick.
Yeah.
But not quick enough. I didn't tell you, I'm so happy.
You're so happy?
This is so fun.
I love him too. I'm so happy
cute.
we bought him.
He's so cute.
We were so jealous of everyone that we know who was getting their childs and opening them for the past month or two.
We were like, what about us?
What about us?
What about ours?
We're gonna love him just as much.
What the heck?
We have a whole flight crew who can take care of
I
him.
have cookies for you.
That's a good point. We do have cookies for him. Grogu also comes with this awesome display stand. It's actually very heavy. It has like a little foot prong there. And on the back you can see there's really fun graphic artwork of the first time that the Mando and Grogu met. And even more special after the last 2 episodes is Grogu's little gear shift ball from the Razor Crest. You want this? Come on, take it.
He can't move his arms, so.
Oh, he can't move his arms.
No.
And this is actually a magnet. You can see in Grogu's hand, right there, there's a little magnet. It just holds in his hand.
Oh my gosh, give him back to me.
So you can have him hold this little ball.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. We have yet to show Goober. I wonder how Goober is going to respond to having Grogu in the apartment now.
You're going to sit right by the Christmas tree. Wait, do the Grogu.
Grogu. Grogu. Oh, hey, kid. He's so cute. So Grogu's been in hibernation for the last month or so as he was shipping here. So I think he needs to eat something. Should we give him some cookies?
Give him a cookie.
You want a cookie, Grogu? Well, Flight Crew, this was an amazing month of Star Wars unboxings. This is the thing that we've been waiting for the longest time. And actually part of the reason that we started doing the unboxings again. We started doing Star Wars unboxings since going to Galaxy's Edge. We did a bunch of fun merchandise reviews. We've been doing them for a long time. Mm-hmm. But this is the one that really made us, we need to start doing unboxings again because we have Grogu coming in the mail. And we're going to have to show them to you guys. So. Did you have a fun unboxing day?
I did.
Yeah. What was your favorite stuff? Besides, I know you got the makeup. I know you got everything else.
The addition to our little family. I love both of them. I thought the one from Hasbro was great too. We spoil ourselves.
Yeah, we do.
We spoil ourselves with Star Wars.
Well, I'm happy to spoil myself with Star Wars with you. And we're happy to have you guys here, Flight Crew. And if you had fun this episode, make sure to like and subscribe. Ignite those likes. Give us a thumbs up. We'll keep doing more of these. And come back for more. We're going to have more Star Wars unboxings. And more Vlogmas too, so go check those out. Remember, this is the way.
This is the way. May the Force be with you. Live long and prosper.
Always believe.
Always believe.
Grogu. 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 See you later, Flight Crew.